When you arise in the morning, think of what a precious privilege it is to be alive, to breathe, to think, to enjoy, to love. Today, I woke up 6 am in the morning and let sunlight enter into my room through the window pane. It feels so better starting a day with greeneries on the roof. I start my day with a chamomile tea in my cup, and that helps me to imbibe the morning freshness to a greater extent. So I started with my ophthalmology class sharply at 8 am, and after 1 hour I got frustrated and started watching Saurabh Joshi blogs, and after a lemonade I started the passive mode of learning again. Now I decided to leave the room. So it's 12 o'clock, noontime. Sun is overhead. Suddenly I thought I have to take a refreshing shower, and I had my lunch, which is too much delicious. So after the lunch I came back to my room and took a nap. After some rest, I woke up with my sleepy eyes and decided to watch Good Doctor, which is a baggage of loved emotions and clinics. Somehow I managed to get up from bed and started to hear physiology lectures by Dr. Krishna Kumar. After studying for a pretty long time, I am so much exhausted that I need caffeine to cheer me up. So I have started boiling the milk. And pour the milk into my favorite cup. And tried to make a tasty bitter cappuccino with a creamy texture. So I enjoyed my coffee sitting in the veranda thinking about future plans. And thus the evening arrived. After spending a wonderful afternoon, I got to my table back and started revising the physiology notes. Though after 1 hour my stomach started giving me missed calls, and I finally received her call and went to grab my dinner. After a stressful day, I decided to lay down on the roof and started counting the stars and fell asleep.